our Head of the Department, Sri G. Srinivasulu, for giving opportunity to conduct this program. Thank you, sir. I welcome to one and all for today's sibling training program on entrepreneurship and employment of PWID. Presenting by G. Sri Srinivasulu, HOD Dial NIPED. Now, I have welcome to G. Srinivasulu, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Amravati, madam, program coordinator, overall program coordinator of this sibling program. Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible. You are audible.
Dear participants, siblings, parents, and other professionals, welcome to NIPID. So, on behalf of our director, Major Ram Kumar sir, and our program coordinator, I am welcome to all the participants and siblings for this monthly sibling training program for the PWID category. So, this is the second program. The first program conducted by myself about the schemes and benefits for the PWID. And this is the second program this month we are conducting on entrepreneurship and employment of PWID. Participants, please mute your mobile phones and video options so that it is comfortable to all the viewers without any difficulties or any kind of network related issues. Kindly mute your mobile phones and video options. So I am sharing my brief presentation. I will take only 5 to 10 minutes. The remaining inputs will be sharing by my colleague, Sri Samaya sir, Rehabilitation Officer, Independent Living Program. So is this PPT is visible to all of you?
Yes, sir, it is visible to all of us.
Okay. So participants, before going to this session, I would like to brief about the importance of this program. Nowadays, we are hearing about the placement related issues, the problem with the job placement options, because majority of our PWID is having a dropout percentage whenever we are placing the students in the open setups or in the sheltered setups or self-supported setups because of so many reasons. The reasons, we can say that when we are providing the training in the in-house program, the regular occasional training program, the facilities, whatever the facilities we are providing in in-house training program, so all those are in a sophisticated kind of manner and smooth kind of functioning, and some kind of emotional related issues we may not observing from the clientele side. Because of that reason and some other issues, especially the duration of the training and job site atmosphere. So these are the core components and dominant factors in job placement options. Because of these issues, our students are lacking the appropriate inputs in job placement. So how best we can place the students, PWIDs, in the open setups or any kind of supported setups or self-supported setups or sheltered-based setups. So I can say one solution for that, the main is the self-employment program, especially for the women with ID category and severity category and rural population, rural PWIDs category. So this is the one important terminology every time we are hearing about in the field, rehabilitation field, entrepreneurship establishment, how best we can start up a new venture for our kids after the training, after completion of the vocational training program or skill development program. How can we start this kind of setups? So what kind of knowledge we require, what kind of setups we can establish. So this is the idea we brought from the so many parental side through whenever we are conducting in the monthly VGIS programs. So this is the idea we got from that VGIS platform. So parents, siblings, here I am sharing the brief inputs related to this component. So the main definition, what actually the entrepreneurship means. It is actually French term. The meaning of the term entrepreneurship means to undertake. So to undertake in the sense what we are undertaking here, some kind of remunerative employment for our kids. For establishing this kind of employment related opportunities, what type of resources we need, what type of technical skills we require, where we can establish, how we can establish, to whom we have to approach, and why it is required. So these are the questions generally we used to observe during this type of whenever a new platform when we are hearing from the clientele side or stakeholder side. So here I can give the broader definition about the entrepreneurship, the startup idea. Within a minimal budget, I can say 30,000 or 50,000 or 1 lakh, within under 1 lakh, what kind of setups we can establish for our PWIDs under the supervision of the family members. So this will be a great meaning and appropriate kind of solution for the PWD category, because PWID is the one category out of 21 disabilities. It is a complex nature of category. Other PWDs, they have a decision making capacity, they have a problem solving skills, reasoning, arithmetic and memory related things. So they have a number of kind of cognitive skills, cognitive skills in the sense the brain processing skills. However, our intellectual disability category are lacking this kind of component, cognitive functioning. So that is the reason every time we used to depend upon the family members. So with the support of family members, we can start some kind of business ideas, business setups for their wards. So with this idea, so I am going to the next slide, the concept of the entrepreneurship. There are two types of concepts, so traditional and non-traditional concept. The traditional concept is saying various types of business related ideas, business related tasks. So whatever be the comfortable you are within your infrastructure, within your budget, the financial kind of things you can start. The non-traditional concept is we have to bring out with innovative idea. So we should not go into the market for choosing a certain amount of components. For example, suppose we are making one end product. With that end product, when you are entering into a market, so much amount of competition. So how to combat that kind of competition to sell your end product? This is the toughest task in the marketing factor. So that is the reason the non-traditional concept is saying about the latest trends in the marketing kind of things. If you are maintaining appropriate quality of product, no need to beg or no need to seek any kind of support from the intermediate channels or from the local community. Automatically, that will be with the force of ideas, the end product will be sale in the market. That's what the idea in the non-traditional concept. For example, I can give the different kind of end products, what type of end products we can prepare and we can sell in the local market. So these are the main components for the establishing entrepreneurship program. So we have to be, first of all, understand who is entrepreneur, the opportunities, innovative ideas, then how can we create that particular kind of establishment, then what type of values, ethics we have to follow, then how we can bring that profit, because there are certain amount of factors for setting the rate. Whatever be the raw materials you are purchasing, whatever be the hidden components for making an end product. So out of all the expenditures for making a product, so the margin, the profit, how we can bring that margin from the total end product. Then growth of your business from the beginning level to the whatever with the running process, then uniqueness and process. So it includes all these kind of components in the entrepreneurship. First of all, we have to know the core components in the entrepreneurship program participants and siblings. So these are the core components in the entrepreneurship program. The importance is we have to reduce the poverty level and increase the employment opportunities and fulfill the demand of people. It helps to develop economic condition of the country. So there are gaps because the gap is intellectual disability having less amount of scope in employment. When you are entering into the local community or in the society, very few organizations, few agencies, few entrepreneurs will choose PWIDs. Other PWDs in the sense they have a decision making capacity, they can follow instructions, they were aware of safety, they have an independent traveling skills. Whereas PWID in the sense they will see, they will think, they may take some time to take the decision for providing or uh, uh, offering any kind of job to our clients. So this is the one observation and important aspect entrepreneurship. With this entrepreneurship concept, we can fulfill the gap. So these are the characteristics. When we are making any kind of end product, you have to be very careful while planning or developing the activity or product. So innovation is the main component. So you have to put your creativity in that particular activity. Then only it will be easily sellable and marketable in the local community. And risk. This is the very important component. Whenever you are starting a particular activity or job, definitely there should be a number of risks. So the main problem is when we are guiding to the parents or the stakeholders, definitely they may come into that factor whether we will get the profit, whether it will work in the process or not, whether we get the margin or not, will it saleable in the local market, whether our PWDs can capable to perform this activity or not. So this is the main less of self-confidence. Because of the lack of confidence, majority of our parents, stakeholders, siblings are not choosing this kind of provision, isn't it? So that is the reason what I am focusing to my colleagues and vocational instructors. Every time I am mentioning about the capacity building programs for the parents of PWIDs. So siblings, especially siblings also, because the next target group is siblings, because these siblings having a lot of capacities and lot of understanding levels, so they can come up with the new ideas for establishing any kind of things for their brothers and sisters. And resources, where we will get that kind of particular raw materials, how to prepare that kind of activities, whether we will get any kind of technical support or any kind of collaborative support from the organizations or in the society. So these kind of ideas we have to share to the needy people. And skills, managerial skills also required. So leadership programs we have to undertake by planning 3 or 4 or 5 group of parents. They can start this kind of ideas for establishing the entrepreneurship program. So by using this, they can fulfill the gap, whatever be the job placement options. So the main focus is business-oriented ideas. Here I can suggest no need to prepare the complete end product. You can also sell the item from one agency to the customer. So just selling a product also one kind of idea, business idea. So with this, you can go for the entrepreneurship kind of programs. And another one is economic activity, then producing the results, lifestyles also we can improve. So these are the main factors: profit, vision, team approach, and motivations also very much required for the members while starting this entrepreneurship program. So every time I am saying entrepreneur, so what exactly the meaning of entrepreneurs? Entrepreneur is an individual who starts a business. So when a person is starting any kind of business ideas or business venture, he has to be very careful before planning that particular activity. He has to take care of the risk. He has to understand in any kind of situation, he has to bear the risk factors for operating the business. And he can deal with the team of people, he can organize, he can manage. So whatever be the risk factors, whenever it rises, he has to be ready for solving the issues or any kind of problems in the entrepreneurship. So these are the concepts of an entrepreneur. It refers to a person, it refers to a creator, it refers to an organizer, it refers to a decision maker, it refers to an initiator. He has to be a leader, he has to be a motivator, good motivator, and a risk taker. So mainly this kind of concept will be applicable to the younger age group and the parents also. So these are the characteristics actually required for the entrepreneur. So mental ability should be strong whenever he is planning particular idea, so that he can come up with the good ideas and creative kind of things, innovative kind of ideas. And he has to understand the secrecy of the business whenever he is establishing a particular business oriented kind of activity. He has to understand the secrets or competitors. So all these things. Then clear objective he has to establish while planning the entrepreneurship program.
Sir,
Yes, Srinivas sir.
Srinivasu sir.
Hello.
Hello, sir. Sir, it is audible, sir. Please continue.
Yeah. So these are the main differences between the entrepreneur and entrepreneurship. The entrepreneur is a person, and the concept of entrepreneurship is just a process. So entrepreneur is a visualizer, then the entrepreneurship is a vision. So he's a creator, entrepreneur, and the entrepreneurship it includes creation and number of ideas he can execute in this entrepreneurship program. So the one person entrepreneur is the organizer, whereas entrepreneurship includes its n number of people included. So that is the reason organization is the entrepreneurship kind of program. So he has the innovative ideas, entrepreneur is having, our entrepreneurship is having innovations, multiple innovations. And is a planner and a leader entrepreneur, and the planning and leadership is very much essential for the entrepreneurship program. So the causes in the failure of entrepreneurship is visible concept, lack of visible concept, lack of marketing knowledge, lack of technical skills, lack of seed capital, lack of business knowledge, lack of motivation and time pressure and distractions. And you have to maintain certain amount of legal constraints and regulations and some kind of protectionism and monopoly things in entrepreneurship programs. So these are the main failures generally we can observe whenever a person establishes the entrepreneurship. So that is the reason you have to be sound in technical related skills. You have a certain amount of marketing skills while planning any kind of business ideas. So now the time is actually the technically high information available in the social media. There are apps available for marketing any kind of product, and there are agencies and social media platforms also available to learn any particular kind of activity to establish. Through YouTube also you can gain the knowledge, and there are organizations providing entrepreneurship programs. For example, in Hyderabad, Huawei is one platform. Huawei is platform, and Alip is also one important platform, collaborative agency, Alip, Kukatpalli area. So these three platforms, we can start a business ideas, we can get the collaborative kind of technical knowledge. If possible, if you want any kind of financial support, so these ideas also you will get from the government and non-government. However, the budgetary kind of things, whether you are planning below 50,000 or 1 lakh to 2.5 lakh or more than 2.5 lakh, it depends upon the budget. You can avail the benefit from government and non-government. So all these ideas will sharing by our my colleague Samaya sir, rehabilitation officer. The detailed information he will continue.
Yeah, thank you, Srinivas sir.
Any doubts, participants, please feel free to ask.
Yes, participants, if you have any doubts about how to establish a special employment, this employment avenues, which is having the more and more market demand, please feel free to ask. We are here to clarify your questions.
So to overcome the any kind of placement related issues, now this is the chain. We have to strengthen our capacities towards a self-employment kind of thing. So for self-employment, we have to start up with a minimum budget. We can plan any kind of business ideas. So this is the actually main concept of this entrepreneurship. Feel free to ask participants. You have any questions, you can type in the chat box. Yeah, examples Samay sir will share. There are a number of ideas. The ideas, whenever you are getting any ideas for entrepreneurship, you have to take care of two aspects. Whether it is feasible for our employment, our budget or not. If it is within our financial capacity, then you can go, you can proceed. Or else you can take the support from government fundraising kind of things for heavy duty kind of jobs related setup. For example, I can give within a 15,000 or 20,000 in the sense you can start up some kind of a coffee vending machine or popcorn vending machines or any kind of sublimation printing kind of products within a 20,000. All the machinery costs also 20,000, 25,000 depends upon the configuration. You can choose the capacity of the machine. You will get the particular machinery in the Amazon and Flipkart also. Suppose if you want to choose the 25,000 to 50,000, then there are some other machinery. For example, leaf plate machine, paper cups machine, and photo frame making machines, and some kind of tailoring related, embroidery, jute bag machines, ultrasonic kind of thing. Okay, embroidery related, cloth related for girls, and domestic related activities also. Those kind of machinery we can establish within a 50,000 budget. So suppose if you are again you require any kind of financial capacity within the 50,000, then you can go for small scale ideas, and the financial support you will get from the what I can say self-help group support, Dwakra self-help group support. And 50,000 to 1 lakh or 1.5, 2 lakh, then there are n number of options available. So that Samay sir will share Mudra and other options. So okay, if no questions in the sense, I can proceed over to Samay sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Srinivasan sir. You have given us very enlightening light on the about the what is the enterprise and then how we can become an entrepreneur and how that can become a third phase in entrepreneurship. Sir, thank you very much, sir. And then you have given us the essential skills required for becoming the successful entrepreneur. Thank you very much, sir. Thanks for your valuable information. Amratamaji? Yeah, hello friends. This is, so shall I begin my session, Amratamaji?
Yes, sir. 1 minute, sir. Now presenting by Sri P. Samaya sir, Rehabilitation Officer, Senior Staff of Dale NIPED. Now I invite Sri P. Samaya sir. Welcome, sir.
Thank you, madam. Thank you. Yeah, hello everyone. Sabhi ko namaskar ji. My name is P. Samaya. I am here working as a Rehabilitation Officer, Punarvas Adhikari in the Department of Adult Independent Living. In short, we call it as a DALE in the office of NIPED. As you all know that NIPED stands for National Institute for the Empowerment of Persons with Intellectual Disabilities, Divyangan. The today's topic is that EDP program, Entrepreneurship Development Program, because due to this global pandemic situation, it is playing major role because COVID-19, the pandemic situation
Sir, voice loudly, sir.
Yeah, is it audible to all of you, Ji?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, very good afternoon, all of you, Ji. And once again, I welcome you all. Yeah, this is P. Samaya. I'm here working as a Rehabilitation Officer in the Department of Adult Independent Living. In short, we call this department as a DALE in the office of NIPED. As you all know that NIPED stands for National Institute for the Empowerment of Persons with Intellectual Disabilities, Divyangan. Yeah, before going into my session, I would like to convey my sincere thanks to our respected director, Major Sri B.V. Ramkumar sir, who gave us the permission to conduct this program and then motivate the mainly the.
సార్ మళ్ళీ మ్యూట్లోకి వెళ్ళిపోయింది సార్.
Yeah, now is it audible, Ji? Yeah, so I convey my sincere thanks to my respected director, Major Sri B.V. Ramkumar sir, who gave us the opportunity to conduct this entrepreneurship development training program for the training and rehabilitation of adult persons with intellectual disabilities and then motivation of the parents and siblings of persons with ID. So, and then I also feel it is privilege for me to convey my sincere pranam to our head of the department and assistant professor, G. Srinivasuluji, who is our main driving force for all of us in our department of adult independent living to conduct this kind of programs and then to disseminate a widespread of information to the needy persons with intellectual disabilities and in specific and the PWDs of all categories. And then the coordinator of this program, thank you, Amrata Maji, and then and I welcome you all the participants for this the program. So I won't take much time. So in our department, this is a vocational training stream actually. We have general vocational training program and then skill development training program. Two training options are there in our department of adult independent living. So here we as soon as clientele comes to our department, so we do the proper assessment that as we all know that the VAPS, there is a standardized assessment tool is there. VAP stands for Vocational Assessment and Programming System. Through this one actually, because in our department we have the vocational trainers, vocational rehabilitation professionals who possessed this diploma in vocational rehabilitation course and the DVT course. They undertake this realistic assessment, and through the assessment, as we all know that we come to know the entry level of the client. उनको क्या आता क्या नहीं आता उसके हिसाब से we'll go for the making the program planning and subsequently we go for the implementation part. So here the functional vocational assessment will be there, and then we go for the training assessment, and then that will be then done with along with the family assessment, and then we go for the work readiness skills, that is called the general skill training program. Different domains we have, that's the personal and communication, social, the functional, safety, domestic, and occupational and all. In these things, and then we move for the community assessment, because here we want to make the parents, after giving the training, we want to establish them to the befitting vocational avenue, because अपने कुछ business start करना है बोले तो business का क्या demand है नहीं, वो demand and supply always we have to take care. Based on that only we can start the business. So these inputs we will.
So it is in mute.
It is mute. It is going in mute. Yeah. Every month we are conducting VGIS program, vocational guidance and information services. So where what are all these schemes and benefits are there from the different state governments and then the government of India and other financial institutions and other CSR institutions, because nowadays one of the major the opportunity for all of us is that we can approach if you want to start any befitting vocation, if you want to become a successful entrepreneur. So for the financial assistance, otherwise subsidy loans, the matching grant, and all we can approach to the even CSR, because the potential donors that we will get, if you can search in the Google search engine, we will get the list of potential donors. For example, list of potential donors from Hyderabad, easily we can get and then we can approach. But thing is that the parents are lacking in preparation of project proposals, because here if you want to establish any business avenue, we have to prepare the report and in detail report is required. What is the name of the project and the preamble of the project, whether it has the demand or not, because see, as per the government of initiative, the flagship program Atmanirbhar Bharat, because there is one slogan: local, vocal, global, local for global. See, whatever products we are preparing in the local level, that should reach to the global level. That is the concept of the Honorable Prime Minister. So here, the bankers also and the private banks and then the PSU banks and then the government agencies also coming forward to finance them, to extend the financial support. and that financially in the form of matching grant, and then in the form of subsidy loans, and then the loans with the nominal interest. That as you might be all knowing that NHFDC, National Handicap and Finance Development Corporation. Recently, in our I'm going to show my this PPT, and then I will show you some of the successful entrepreneurs success story also. Yes, Amma. Yeah, success stories, the short videos also there. Please kindly bear with me. So here, these are all schemes we are going to cover with this one. So here, triple E pattern, because the first E stands for enterprise. Enterprise means, because here just now only our this university explained all of us. An example of enterprise is a new startup business. See, when we are going for the new startup business, certainly we have to undertake the community survey and then market survey, whether the product which we are going to prepare, which we are going to manufacture, which where we are going to extend our services, that should have the market demand. The demand and supply, always we have to see that one, and then we should motivate and we should sensitize them to pick up the befitting the vocation. So enterprise means one business, the startup business. This is that dictionary meaning of the enterprise. And then see, when we want to start the enterprise, the entrepreneur should have the skills. What are those skills that we have to, sir already explained. So here, because you should, first of all, you should be willing to learn. See here, as per the Prime Minister Employment Generation Program, because who wants to take the loan, the subsidy loans, then they want to undergo minimum, they should undergo minimum 10 days in-house training program. But now, due to this global pandemic situation, now online training program, the modules are available in TMEGP, the portal. So here they see you should be ambitious. It is easy to give up when the going gets tough, but the most successful entrepreneurs persist because of their ambitions. Because he should be ambitious, and then he should apply on him that I can do the business, and then if I will do this business, then the profit will be higher side. So here we motivate their morale by applying the SWOT analysis. The SWOT analysis in the form of business process planning on self. Can I do the business? Do you have the skills? Do you have the potential? As we all know that every individual has potential and capabilities. We all agree that. The thing is that for that one, we have to go for the small the training program, ability to listen, and then one should have the creativity and assertiveness and confidence and the courage and taking risk. Here, when we want to start the business, whether it is a tiny sector or if it is micro, small, medium enterprises, then one should ready to take the risk, because the business mean it is the volatileness will be there. So here the enterprise, and then entrepreneur. Entrepreneurs, the main real meaning of entrepreneur is that an entrepreneur is an individual who creates new business, and bearing most of the risks and enjoying most of the rewards also. Because when you take the risk, when the profits comes, definitely he is the first person to enjoy for his rewards. The process of setting up of a business is known as entrepreneurship. So here, what is the entrepreneurship? Entrepreneurship, there is the process, because our GC Nostology already told us the entrepreneurship is the act of creating a business or businesses while building and scaling it to generate the profit. So here, triple E's are playing a major role: enterprise, entrepreneur, and entrepreneurship. So here, because see, in our department, when we give the training to adult persons with intellectual disabilities, so we give the training in three-phase manner. So as soon as client comes, we do the process of assessment. That, as I told you, there is a VAPS, vocational assessment and programming system. Through that one, we come to know their entry level, and then accordingly we make the program planning. Because first 6 months they will be placed in the generic skill training program. That's what we call it is the work readiness skill training program. And then again, the periodic evaluation will be there, assessment will be there, and then 80% achievement. And then they move to the specific skill training program. The specific skill training program means, for example, in our department, we have the offset printing unit is there. In the open market, the number of the avenues are there in printing area, because there is a big potential the market printing area.
సార్ మీట్లో ఉంది సార్.
So here our clients are undergoing training in the yes అమ్మా మీ డౌట్స్ క్లారిఫై చేస్తాము, కొంచెం వెయిట్ చేయండి తల్లి. Yeah, so here in our offset printing unit, that now because in-house requirement we are meeting, the printing activity that is on A5 size paper, A4 size paper and A3 size paper and full scape size paper. So all the printing activity we are meeting here. See earlier इसके पहले हम बाहर orders देते हैं, but as part of importing skill development training programs, we are giving training to our children and then meeting the in-house requirement in the form of the byproduct. तो machine का वो लोग पेपर shorting and then shuffling the paper, loading the papers, वो printing papers को लेके फिर shuffling करके bundling करके dispatch करना है. These are all more than 60% activities are undertaken by the adult persons with intellectual disabilities under the supervision of a trained person. We have Sri P. Rajendra Ji is there. He's a very good expert in operating the offset printing unit. So here, this the generic skill training program, and then we put them in the specific skill training program, and then third 6 months they will go in the intensive skill training program, and then they will be, after that we place them in the open supported employment, that is called apprentice, and then the follow-up action will be taken. So this is the pattern of the giving opportunities to them. Here I am going to show you one small video, and then I will put my show the PPT, and then how one can successfully establish one business, small business avenue, small vocational avenue. Wait for a while and
సార్ మీది మీట్లో ఉంది సార్.
వీడియో కనబడుతుందండి అమరావతమ్మ గారు?
కనపడుతుంది సార్.
Yeah.
Collection of leaves in a traditional way will yield less income and are far from clean and hygienic. The process will cause heavy damages and occupies lot of place. We, the Annapurna Cottage Industries, designed a process of high yield and less wastage. First of all, we have to select a matured leaf, pluck 3 leaves stem and 10 stems in one. Take a bucket of water and add a spoon of salt and rinse the bunch in the salt water to remove insects and dirt. After rinsing, allow the leaves to dry for 10 minutes in the shade. The 10 stems will have 30 number of leaves approximately. Remove the leaves from the stem and arrange them in opposite direction, 6 each, and make a bundle of 60 and put them under the weight for 24 hours. By doing this, the leaves semi-curved, wrinkles, foldings will be straightened. In the second phase, spread these 60 leaves on a cloth and put a mesh pressure on it and allow them to dry. By drying this way, the further foldings of wrinkles will be straightened. Marketing. The wet bundle of 60 leaves can be sold at the rate of 1 rupee 80 paisa, and the 60 leaves of dried one can be sold at the rate of 2 rupees 40 paisa. The dried 60 leaves of 20 bundles can be packed in a net bag and stored it for a longer period.
Sir,
The process is tested and well accepted by the primary collector. In Telangana, more than 10,000 primary collector families will be benefited during this season.
सर आपको माइक म्यूट है
Not audible, sir. Yeah, is it audible, ji? Yeah, this is a leaf plate project, a natural, biodegradable, and eco-friendly project. Because here now, due to this global pandemic situation, because they are also because I had the discussion with the Razu, he's my friend. Actually, we designed one machine over there. The machine because so that can be operated by the adult intellectual persons. So because now that machines are designed and developed which can be operated by the normal intelligence. But when we want to start, when we want to promote our the parents, our main intention is to promote the parents and siblings to establish befitting vocational avenue for the preparation of this leaf plate and then paper plates and corrugated paper plates. And because the less, with the very minimal usage of the plastic, because now we all know that there is a ban on the plastic up to some extent. So here we want to go for the biodegradable and which is having about more market demand. So this is one short video. Actually here the persons with intellectual disability, 2 persons are working in this the unit. Now they are assisting in the pressing the machine, because here 3 kinds of machines are there. One is the manually operated machine, but in manually operated also there is a heating element will be there, because if you want to make a cup form like the bowl form, cup form, plate form, buffet plate form, then here because some the technical that heating elements are coming out. There also we did one device we kept over there. Even our persons with intellectual disability, if it touches also, nothing will happen over there. And then we put one this sensors also, as we all know now, wherever there's a risk zones are there, there if you can put the sensor, actually leaf should go over there. Instead of leaf, along with the leaf, he puts his finger and all, then the machine cutoff will be there. So these are all the provisions are there, and then this is the to create adequate awareness and understanding about development opportunities under various sectors, because this is the to facilitate initiatives for development of vulnerable sections through public-private partnership. Because here the government is also offering the loan facilities for this one, the subsidy loans mainly Khadi village industries. Number of people while these subsidy loans, the 20% subsidy, 25% subsidy, even 30% subsidy also there. And recently our Telangana government also announced one the package that is called economic rehabilitation scheme. So through that scheme also, anyone, the persons with all category of disabilities, PWDs as per the RPWD Act 21 disabilities, anyone can apply this project under that scheme actually. So that if they apply for the 10 lakhs, then 60% subsidy will be there. So that, and then only the payment of 4 lakhs will be done by the who takes the subsidy loan. So 6 lakhs MOFI will be there, and then this is the nominal interest, and then the duration of the payment will be 7 years, and then even maximum 10 years also there. So number of people are wild these business opportunities, undertaking this Mudra loan and the PMEGP loan and the Startup India loans, and then this under CSR, corporate social responsibilities. So now here the different dies, but now mechanization is taking place. That mechanization, because of that mechanization, should facilitate the persons with intellectual disability to as part of 100% foolproofing system. So that because here the single phase supply will be there and three phase supply will be there. High voltage will be there. So there the sensors and all will be kept with the nominal because of these additions and because of these incorporations. So the machines, the cost escalation won't go upper side actually. So that also we have taken care. And now another one small video, please.
Sir, video not visible, sir.
Not visible, huh?
The video is not visible.
One minute, madam.
Same, sir. Video not visible. Now you can start.
Hello participants. So these are all the short videos about this the preparation of this leaf plates and the paper plates and the corrugated paper plates. So these are all the low cost devices only, and then it has the marketing. For the marketing, we have the here some of the centers are there. The Trifire, there is an organization, and then Tricor, there is an organization. Other social organizations also there who are taking up this marketing for on behalf of the persons with disabilities. So here, and then this is the mainly for the creation of to create a conducive and enabling environment for the disadvantaged sections, mainly and even the persons with intellectual and developmental disabilities and PWDs of all categories. Number of successful stories are there, and then even mushroom cultivation. Recently, under Mudra loan, because they wild 1.5 lakhs the loan from the this United India Bank, and then they are successfully running this vegetable this mushroom cultivation. And then the mobile canteen, one of our parent while the Venkat and some of our parents are there. So they avoid nearly 4.5 lakhs for this mobile establishment of mobile canteen. So the number of people avail the loan, and the loan facilities are there, even subsidy loans, and then the nominal interest payment loans, and then matching grant loans, and then CSR loans. These are all the facilities we have in front of us. So we have to search for the establishment of any new business avenue. So here, being here rehabilitation professionals, we always we contact to our parents and then the siblings, and then we motivate them to conduct the small the market survey. in their within the community, so that if they find any new product which is having the more market demand, and then the community needs that product, those inputs also we are giving to them, and then we are preparing the project proposal. We are extending support in preparation of the project proposal. I will show you one the model of the project proposal. Yes, participant, is this visible to all of you? Hello? Hello, participants?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir, it is visible.
this is the scheme, Prime Minister's Employment Generation Program. A scheme even persons with disabilities also can avail from 15% to nearly 35% subsidy can avail. But here, while government subsidy, but recently now they have promoted for the below poverty line, and some of the vocations are having the 35% subsidy. So here, one of the model, yeah, the project proposal. See, if you want to avail any loan facility, because see, we decided to become a successful entrepreneur, then one should know how to prepare the project proposal, because it contains their format will be there, different bankers, different forms will be there, but it is only 2-3 pages only. The contents will be there. Like one example I am showing over here. See here, this is the KVC. See, Gramodyog Rozgar Yojana, bakery products, if we will go, then we have to write the introduction. What is the introduction, and then whether it has the market demand and what is the viability and all. And then if we will start this business, how we can, what will the level of the profit will be there. And then here, the process of manufacturing process, and then preamble, the demand of the product, the demand and supply as per the Atmanirbhar Bharat. There is a one clause, the locally produced product should go to the global level. So here, the cost of the product, the project cost, here again recurring expenditure and non-recurring expenditure, two main items will be there. Capital expenditure here, because then that what we call it as a non-recurring expenditure. So here the land will be there, and then here shed where we are going to establish that the bakery unit. Let us take that is a 12 by 12. And then 10 by 10, one small room where we can keep the oven and all, and then the furnace, small furnaces and all. So equipment cost and all. See, this is the model of the the project proposal. This preparation we are doing, and then the manufacturing process, and then safety aspects and all. What is the break-even analysis? The project means, for example, for this project, if they take nearly 5 lakhs, they will go for the 5 lakhs loan. Then that 5 lakhs, again here the recurring expenditure means working capital will be there, that will be there for the 2 lakhs. The rest 3 lakhs goes for the non-recurring expenditure, mean that is the non-consumable item, like the equipment and all, and the machineries and all. So my सुनने आ रहा है सभी को what I am speaking? Hello, participants?
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Here total for, see, these are all things. It is the online, because online there is a PMEGP web portal is there. In that portal, just we can go visit the portal, and then what are all schemes are there, and each scheme is having how much subsidy, what is the tenure for the repayment, and then any what is the margin from our side if you are going for the 1 lakh loan. So some schemes are asking the 5% margin, mean the 1 lakh loan means 5,000 should be contributed by the entrepreneur. So, but sometimes now it becomes difficult for that entrepreneur to contribute 5,000. But here, those aspects and all is taken care by scheme itself. And then there is no collateral guarantee. There is no the security and all. Nothing is there. See here, the whatever the non-recurring expenditure is there, na, that machines, equipments, tools and all is there, na, that they will take it as the guarantee and then surety. So here any individual can apply for the loan, and then they can get because the here number of in our Hyderabad also number of people avoid this scheme. So here here estimated annual production capacity, raw material, where we can get the raw material, what is the cost of the raw material. Sometimes we can get the semi-finished items also, and the labels and the packing material, and then what are all the wages, the remuneration, the salaries part and all. Because see, we have the categories where we can engage unskilled, semi-skilled, skilled, and skilled. Because this unskilled and semi-skilled and skilled category, because see, our persons with intellectual disability, in some of the stereotype of activities, they can perform their work, they can show their expertise level is very high. So here, because we are promoting the parents to establish similar type of this enterprise, this business, so that where they can get more the margin and the profit will be there, and then they can give the employment to the other people. Because when the persons with intellectual disability, parents on behalf of parents are availing the loan, so that because there is they will give them employment avenues to the other two disabled persons in their product. So here they can go for even 50,000 to 1 crore in this Prime Minister Employment Generation Program. The tenure will be 5 years, and then 7 years, and even 10 years also there. And then, but this is the model. Like we are promoting, we are helping the parents to preparation of this project proposals. So this is the model. Different models are there. Different models are there here. PMEGP sample project, the profiles. So here, as per the alphabet, ginger and garlic processing. So this is also very potential this business avenue, and then the ice cream parlors and all, and then jackfruit products. So here the number of products are there that you can search this one, because this is the online, and there is an online portal. If you can search in the Google search engine, PMEGP online portal, Mudra Loan online portal, and then Startup India online portal, MSME, micro, small, medium enterprises. So these are all, it is available, and online one can apply. So within 24 hours, they will get the written reply also. And then here, the potential projects also there. There are potential projects, paper and allied products. Here, if you want to avail the loan, if you want to become the become a successful entrepreneur, then we have to prepare. We have to see these are all prerequisites are required when we want to avail the loan, because we require prerequisites. What are all those prerequisites? Those prerequisites, the Aadhaar card is mandatory, and then because they have to show this banking transactions. Here in PMEGP, there is no column that they are giving weightage to this CIBIL points, but here, so that is some relaxation given to them. So we can, in business point of view, they are sanctioning the loans. Yeah, so this you people can visit this one, and then here, click here, you will get all the information. So here, the apply for second loan up to ₹1 crore also. So here, this is the in the first loan, fresh loans, and then any sick industries also can take, and then they can restart those industries also. Here, I'm going to show you the Mudra loan, how we can undertake the Mudra loan. SG, is this visible to all of you? दिख रहा है क्या slide?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Mudra loan here, the login for
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Here the portal
Yes,
is
sir.
there. This portal we can visit.
Yes,
And
sir.
then here 3 schemes are there. See, here the Shishu, the covering loans up to 50,000, and then 50,000 below, and then the Kishore, that is covering loans above 50,000 and up to 5 lakhs. The Tarun, that is the covering loan above 5 lakhs and up to 10 lakhs. In Mudra loans, we have the provision 50,000 to 10 lakhs they can go. And here very nominal this interest rate will be there. And then here also no need to any collateral guarantee. Here very simple is that just they have to fill up that project proposal as I have shown you in the PMEGP, the model project proposals. Every bank is having their own the setup for the proposal. The 2 pages will be there. It is very simple. What is the cost of the name of the project and the preamble of the project, whether it has the market demand or not, or to what extent the profit we can expect, and what is the manufacturing process, and then where you can sell the products, and then the selling price and all, and then what are all safety aspects we are taking over there, and then what will be the repayment. Every the bankers, they think that the repayment action, because that we should show our confidence that we will whatever we are starting that has very good market demand, that we can pay the amount in the form of EMIs. That confidence we have to show it to them. Then we can avail the loan. Number of people are getting the loan. The Mudra loan. This is the in this loan actually, because earlier it was not there, but now they are seeing this CIBIL points, because when every individual is having the, and here we cannot apply loan on our persons with intellectual disabilities, but here the parents, siblings, or caregivers, or regular caregivers, a vocational coach, they can apply on behalf of our persons with intellectual disabilities, and then they can get done the loan, and then through that loan they can establish, and then where they can put their our persons with intellectual disabilities. The Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana (PMMY) is a scheme launched by the Honorable Prime Minister on April 2015 for providing loans up to 10 lakhs to the non-corporate, non-farm, small micro enterprises. These loans are classified as Mudra loans under PMGP. So here, because see, as I told you, because the surety will be there, the security will be there for your non-recurring expenditure, the tools, equipments, and machineries. But whatever that working capital is there, that one, if you are applying for the 7 lakhs, then you will get a 40% working capital. It depends upon your the proposal. Here, say, here there is a website also there, and then if you Google search engine, if you can simply, you can Mudra loan, if you can type, you will get all those things. The financial year, number of loans sanctioned. So now that is because now we are promoting all the parents to avail the loan, those who are interested. Okay, so just I am stopping the sharing. Now I am going for see here participants. मैं और एक बताना चाहता हूँ 1 minute. So, is this visible to all of you participants? Here there is a online beneficiary management monitoring system. So
Yes,
here,
sir. Yes.
Here in our Telangana government, recently they introduced one scheme, as I told you, that is because 10 lakhs, if they can apply for the 50,000, the 50,000 mean 100% subsidy will be there, 100% market will be there. If they go for the 1 lakh loan, the 80% subsidy will be there for the persons with disabilities of all categories. Because from our institutions, nearly more than 45 parents applied, because we gave wide publicity to all the parents. Those who are interested, they can apply. But 45 parents applied. From that one, some of the people are in the panel. So here there is a sector and schemes. What are all sector and schemes are there? So here, one example I am showing you one. See here, this is sericulture, horticulture, see self-employment schemes, two-wheeler mechanism with water servicing, air filling machine with puncture accessories, automobile shop, electric shop, bakery making, bakery products, bamboo, basket making. So number of, we have more than 200 this projects are there, which we are, they are, whichever is having the scheme, whichever the project is having more market demand and supply is there, that they are going to pick up. So we are sensitizing all the parents to establish as per their community demand these small scale industries like the tiny sector. So these are all the schemes here alphabet wise they have given here. embroidery units and embroidery unit, fabric painting and jute bag making, the fancy store, fast food and short bandar center and the tea stall, and then fruit vending. So kirana general stores, and then this beautician, the parlors, mini flour mill, and the paper plates, glasses making. Just only we saw small the short videos. So how they can make the where they can get the raw materials for the establishment of a leaf plate making units. How to prepare the cups and all that we have seen this. The project, the videos we have seen. What are all the market about the project introduction? We tell them what is the introduction of the project and about the project, the aims of the project. Always we have to set the aims of the project, and then uniqueness of the product and the proposal, biodegradable, eco-friendly, and then fruitful moral obligation to the socially responsible citizens. Yeah, this is the market demand. And then here promoter contributions as a resource coordinator and the history of major product projects. Marketing. See, marketing nowadays we can make use the digital platform, WhatsApp technology we can make use, and then SMS technologies, and then supplementary technology, advanced technology. We see this we can in our Facebook, that one advertisement column we can put our products which we are preparing, so that through that one we can get the job orders, and then this supply, if we can have the tie-up with Amazon, Flipkart, and that through that one also we can sell. So now what I mean to say, because this the global pandemic situation, number of the avenues are there for self-supported employment, self-employment avenues. So the loans we can go for if bankers are not giving, we can go for we can apply to the potential donor. See here through our Android phone only, the smartphone only, we can apply, we can search potential donors from the Hyderabad, potential donors from Visakhapatnam. We will get the list, and then we can apply our the proposal, and then where we can give the focus that whatever we are going to establish, these products are having more market demand. That we have to project, and then for CSR, it is like a matching grant. One time they will be giving the financial assistance, and then through that one only they should make their unit to run. So these are all the avenues are there. This I'm stopping over here. Yeah, participants, this slide is visible. Here, the steps to become a successful entrepreneur. Yes, G? Yes?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So here, see, what are all the steps to become a successful entrepreneur? Because we have discussed about what is the enterprise, and what is the who is the entrepreneur, and then what is the entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship, when we discussed about that is one of the process, how we can establish our unit, what are all the process, what is the methodology is there. So here small the PPT is also there. Just quickly I will. Here I wrote the introduction over here. The having been motivated to become entrepreneur, because we all require the motivation. So if you want to start any business, small business, tiny sector, cottage industry, one should have the passion. One should be motivated. The next question comes. One may now naturally ask is what is next? Because now we have motivated. What is the next question? Then the potential entrepreneurs would become entrepreneurs only when he or she owns an enterprise. Because if you want to become entrepreneur, if you want to establish enterprise and enterprising the business, then we have to conduct the market survey, identification of the product's demand. Because within the community, they should go for the product analysis, which product and what are all where it is having the more market demand, that they should select. The one who does not own an enterprise cannot be termed as an entrepreneur. Because see, the business to be set up can be a manufacturing venture. Here we have the different categories. One is the trading business, another one is the manufacturing business, and then service sector. So the different units are there. because our where we are going to establish, that is the small business avenue with limited resources. Slowly, gradually, one should excel, because the business mean, as we discussed, it is the risky factor. Sometimes heavy risk will be there, because now the market demand, because this is the competitive world. Here, whatever product we are selling, the other business co-business worker, because instead of if we sell 3 rupees one bucket plate, then another person can sell to 2 rupee 50 paisa. Then because we will see our the production will get the pile up, and then we won't get the business. So that those are all things we have to keep in the mind. So small, the first they should go for the tiny, and then the more small scale, and then they can go for the medium scale. So here the MSME, micro, small, medium enterprises, they are extending supporting extension of technical consultancy. They are technical counseling they are giving us in preparation of the MSME. In our Hyderabad, we have the NIMS Maze Day, because that is they guides a prospective and existing entrepreneur in selection of product, process, machinery, plant layout, raw material selection, modernization, how they can do the mechanical thing, how we can do the modernized thing. Because manually operated, we can go for the electrically operated. And energy conversion and all. These are all things because we are getting the support from the this technical consultancies of MSME, because those who are below poverty line. See, if any subsidy loan, if any individual wants to apply, then because again the income eligibility criteria will be there. Here also, all government will see the prerequisites like Aadhaar card, and then what is the income level, because if it is persons with intellectual disability, then they see the income level of the parent, otherwise the regular caregivers, the caretaker and siblings, and that income criteria. If it is 2 lakhs, then they will be given this free consultancy services, and the preparation of project proposals also. It is in very without taking any charging. They are preparing they are making the project proposal. Otherwise, what happens, because when an individual goes for this above 50 lakhs the business, they charge even for 2% for preparation of the project proposal, because it is a huge amount. So here in our institutions, we are promoting parents in preparation of the project proposal. We ourselves only preparing the project proposal, and then because there is the 0% expenditure, just they have to apply the loan, and then they should give their prerequisites, Aadhaar card, and then where they are going to start, and then how they, because the agreement, the shed agreement and all, and then electricity supply. In the electricity supply also, for the BPL, we have the 2 categories: BPL below poverty line, APL above poverty line. For BPL, the electric charges, because see, if it is commercial, then huge rate will be there, that they may not pay that much amount to the electricity department. For that one, they can approach to the MSME. Even MSME people are giving the certificate that they can get even there also subsidy. So these are all things are there, and then they support us in marketing of the product. So here, the various steps involved in setting up a business enterprise will be most complex when it relates to an industrial enterprise. So here, what we discussed, we have the sectors: agro-based activity, electromechanical activity, electromechanical industries, the workshop, simple engineering workshops, and then the fabrication shops, welding workshops. These are all small units required for less amount of investment, but the profit making will be higher side. But when it comes to the mechanical assembly type, our adult persons with intellectual disability will extend support. He will assist to the proprietor, otherwise the parents who does over their work. In let us take one example of the bolt and nut assembly in their unit. See, per bolt and nut, the cost of the hexagonal bolt and nut, that which is having the 10 centimeters height and then 10 mm diameter. So one cost is 125 rupees. But here the thread, what is the bolt, the nut should be kept rotated there, and then that should be kept in the one box. So for that one, they are getting 2 rupee 50 paisa per day. If they can assemble nearly 500 pieces, 500 pieces mean 1200, 1250 rupees they can earn. If it is like they can go for the even per day 1,000 pieces they can assemble with the support of the other persons with intellectual disabilities. But again, there the customization has to be done. So here the restructuring of working environment. इंडस्ट्री में क्या करना चाहिए, एक मिशन को थोड़ा रीस्ट्रक्चर करना चाहिए, रीडिजाइनिंग करना चाहिए, so that that can be operated by the adult persons with intellectual disabilities. So here it relates to an industrial enterprise, the steps in setting up a small enterprise are. So here, deciding to go to business, analyzing strengths and weaknesses. See, always when we want to go for any business, then one should see that can I do the business? Do I have the strength, and do I have the confidence? So that we have to build up, and then always we conduct the assessment. That is the this SWOT analysis we conduct over there, and then strengths wherever they have the weaknesses and threats that we will convert as a opportunities. But here, as we all know that this global pandemic situation thrown all of us the challenges. Now we are all facing the challenges to overcome those challenges, and then our government is working level best to convert into the opportunities. So here those challenges that we have to convert as a opportunities, and then who requires a training, that the provision of training is required. Environmental scanning means, because as I told in our department, we have this offset printing unit. There actually the printing is taking place on the paper, but sometimes what happens, along with the paper, our adult persons with ID may keep his hand over there. So there actually we kept one guard, and then the only paper goes over there. When he inserts the paper, the finger it is having the 10 mm thickness, 10 mm there. So this paper just only it is having the 0.5 mm, the GSM. The thickness will be there. So paper goes over there. And then another one, the sophisticated machines are having the sensors. When hand goes over there, machine will be cut off. So these safety aspects also be kept in the machines wherever it is required. Need-based modifications will be done by the vocational professionals. So here the product selection will be there. Again, before product selection, the market survey, the community survey, and the community survey, market survey, and the product survey, and then finally we select the product. Market survey, that we can make use the digital platform. GEM, there is the Government of India, Gout e-market. There also we can publicize our products. So, and then we can give our name over there. Nowadays, every individual is having the phone pay online, and then if you can have the tie-up with this Flipkart and all, then we will get a very good market. These things we are giving to the parents, form of ownership, and then location, and what type of technology we are making use here. As we all know that the technology is the most important here, science and technology, because if you want to make any working situation very simple, then we have to take the advantage of the technology. Technology means, the technological definition here, application of scientific principles to make any working situation very simple as per the needs of the individual. आदमी का जो जरूरत के हिसाब से वो टेक्नोलॉजी का फायदा लेना है, एंड देन द फुल प्रूफिंग सिस्टम वहां करना, मशीनरी इक्विपमेंट, वो बिजनेस को रजिस्ट्रेशन करना है. Whether it is small business, we have to register in the government so that we can avail for this loaning facility and then as I told you that the project report and project proposals that we are facilitating from our Department of Adult Independent Living to the parents. But any individual can approach this MSME, micro, small, medium enterprises. There also they are extending their technical know-how. And then power connection, here also there is a subsidy. And then installation of a machinery, recruitment of manpower. Here, when they are availing the subsidies and all, there is a mandatory to give the recruitment to the other same category of people, the persons with disabilities only. So the availability of the raw material they should see, and the production, marketing, research, monitoring, these are all things they have to undertake. And then here, deciding to go into business. This is the most crucial decision a prospective entrepreneur has to take. The person should decide whether to take salary-based employment or opting for self-employment entrepreneurship. So here, salary-based employment means because we will be working under one employer. But here, if you want to establish one business avenue, vocational venture, then you can become the owner, proprietorship, individual owner. team the business. So this is the one kind of the liberty is giving to them to put their more the efforts, the conscious efforts to increase their business where they can get the profit. And analyzing strengths and weaknesses, this we have already discussed it. Entrepreneur, one has to analyze his or her strengths, weaknesses. This will enable him or her to know what type of and size of business would be most suitable. This will vary from person to person. See, because we have discussed every individual, we all know that every individual has potential and capabilities. It will vary from person to person. Mild high functioning will do better, and then mild will do somewhat less than him. So it will vary from for even the group of normal intelligence also. The business tactics, the applying the strategies and the planning and all, it will vary from person to person. And then training, if it is required, one should go for the training, because when you have decided to establish the business avenue, you have to go for the training. And then here, develop skills. Yeah, that no, because now as per the government of India NCA skill development training programs we are offering over here in the tailoring, the sewing machine operation, and then computer skill training development programs that we are offering over here. This is as per the job roles of the SCPWD, Skill Council of Persons with Disabilities. That is as per the in the Department of Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities. So here, developing technical work skills for proposal project and environmental scanning. Here, the environmental scanning is because always we have to go for the restructuring of working environment. Here, environmental scanning plays a major role. Technology and its application in the service of man technology. So, and science as applied to machines, ability to simplify life, enhance productivity, make life comfortable, and create jobs. So here, the technology is playing a major role that assistive technology and rehabilitative technology. So here, science is the art of study where we can get the knowledge. That knowledge we are applying as and when required. Those principles we are applying for the simplification of the task. Like as I told you, our offset printing machine is there because their paper should go. But here now, as it that machine which is available in the market, allowing the paper sometimes chances are there to go the fingers also. For that we have cut short. That we made the the barrier, the free feature we have created over there, so that only paper can go over there, finger cannot go over there. So this we have to scan the environment, so where we are working, and that should be accessible environment, creation of accessible environment. It is essential to study the environment in which you shall operate to ensure enterprise success. Get to know the business opportunities and the threats in the environment. This will assist the proper project identification and the selection. So here, when we want to do for this the project selection, and then see where we are having the problem, there we have again small the common sense only applying over here, the identifying the problems, those problems, and how we can overcome the problems, the collection of information to overcome the problem, where we are getting the problem, and then we have to formulate the hypothesis, how to overcome. We have to conduct the we should prepare the models, working models, so which is 2-3 times we can prepare, we will get a refined version, and then we have to conduct that prototype, non-working model and working model, and then experiments we can conduct, and then that will become application, and then those applications we can apply as a part of application of science and technology. So here the basic needs always one has to see, and then here the environmental restructuring. Environmental restructuring is the redesign, because we have to adjust the cognitive space adjustment, cognitive adjustment for removing barriers to performance arrangements. So freedom of movement of hands, legs, visual fields, and optimum location of the components, and the removal of architectural barriers. Sometimes what happens, that in our room or where we are working, so the architectural barriers will be there. That also up to the possibility level, we should make the accessible, so that those changes, if we can do, and then proper this proper ventilation is required, proper lighting is required, proper the cross ventilation also required over there. So, and then the workstation design in our software industries, MNCs, the cubicles will be there, so that ergonomic chairs they keep, so that one individual can sit more than 1 hour more than 2 hours. When it sits comfortably, the user-friendly environment also we have to keep over there. So this the environmental the survey is required, and then wherever it is required, we have to do the modification. And then market survey, as we all know that this is the important market. बिना market survey अपन कुछ भी नहीं कर सकते. Form of ownership here again public, private, a cooperative society. These are all the individual. Otherwise, the group. This is required, and the location where we are selecting the location is also one of the important aspects, so that should have the accessibility. For example, photocopying unit we are keeping that wherever the college and schools and all is there, any other business centers are there. There, if you can keep more outcome will be there, more business will be there. So here the technology we have already discussed it, and then machinery and equipment, and then business registration, and then here see the project and business report. That even we can take the support of the this MSME also, and then even NIMH is also extending support in preparation of the project proposal to the parents. Here finance and entrepreneur has to follow specified procedures to obtain finance from financial institutions and bankers, technical know-how, and then power connection. For this one, if it is the about domestic, then the payment of the that one also becomes a problem. For that one also, they can, those who are under the below poverty line, who avoid the subsidy loans, they can approach to the MSME and get the benefit. Installation of the machineries, they will come and help us. Recruitment of manpower here, the semi-skilled. We have the total 4 category of the manpower is there: unskilled, semi-skilled, skilled, and highly skilled. Because our persons, the persons with intellectual disability, the mild and moderate, they can become the skilled persons, and then semi-skilled. So here they are in stereotype of activity, routine type of activities, they can do much better. Raw materials, availability of the raw materials also we have to see, and then the production, and then the stories, marketing research if it is required. Once the products and have reached the market, the periodic market research should be continuously be done to collect information from customers using the products. See here what happens, when we develop the products, when it is going in the market, because the market feedback also we have to take, and then wherever we have to do some more, then it is some more further modified, some more simplified, then those feedback makes us to do furthermore better. The monitoring also one of the most important aspect. So here, thank you one and all. Now I'm stop sharing. Yes, participants. Now you can ask the questions. Any clarifications? You can feel free to ask. Yes, yes, ji, Madam Anuradha ji. Yes, madam. Any questions? Madam, here we have the provision. Mudra loan provision is there. Subsidy loan provision is there. CSR, corporate social responsibility provision is there. Startup India loan provision is there. All banks are offering, but that we have to show our the prerequisites that we can we have the potential and we have the caliber that we can start the business, which we are going to start the business that has the more and more market demand. This message we have to convince we should convey to the bankers, because we are going for the loaning, because here the most without loan I don't think like us can start any business, but to establish the business we should start the loan. Yeah. BVP Rao ji, yeah, raise the hand. Yes, please, you can ask. Yes, BVP Rao ji. Yes, SV Prasad Rao sir. SV Prasad Rao sir. Sir, మీరు unmute చేసుకోండి sir.
No issues, sir. No issues.
Yes, sir. Sir.
It's very fine.
Yeah, Kamlesh Kumari. Yes, madam, please. Hello. So here, because we want to make them entrepreneur. So this is our the main challenge in front of us, because now in open employment, the avenues of the as open employment, the avenue due to this COVID-19, because more dropout is there, avenues are not there. So now this is the right time we can tap the market, and then we can go for the establishment of the business, small scale business. अपन बड़ा स्केल में नहीं जाना है, small scale business that we can start that one actually. So this is my appeal to the parents, and then siblings, and other interested the professional who wish to start the business. We have to, this is the strategy. We have to conduct the market survey. We should go in the community, conduct the market survey, and then the product survey, and then we have to tie up with the other networking tie-up. We have to tie up the networking, so that we can establish the unit very comfortably, and then we can become a successful entrepreneur. Yes, Andy. Gangadhar garu.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. Good evening. Very nice session, sir. It was very wonderful information you have given.
Gangadhar sir, thank you, sir. Sir.
Yes, sir. Very wonderful information you have passed, sir, through your presentation, sir.
Thank you, sir.
And we come to know newly that PMEGP, like Prime Minister Employment Guarantee Program.
Yes.
Earlier we didn't know, but from you only we know this program related information. Definitely, sir, this is helpful for persons with intellectual disabilities. Definitely, we will forward those because since we are working in this field, so we are supposed to forward this information to wider range population, to useful for them, sir. So thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Samay, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thanks for your
yes, sir.
motivation, sir. And sir, here, because these schemes are available only online nowadays, because offline applies, it is very minimal, but only we can go for the online. Just Android, the Google search engine, we have to search whichever loan we want. That we have to search Mudra mean Mudra, PMAGP mean PMAGP, subsidy loan means subsidy loan, and then this NHFDC loans. I have forgotten. We have the even NHFDC also. See, but thing is that NHFDC 3 pages project proposal is there. That very simple format is there. There also that we have to show them that which product we have selected that should have the more market potential, because the most of the parents that they are unable to show that one actually describe that information, they are lacking there actually. That is Nidhi Chopra ji. Yes, madam.
Yeah, I actually joined your session very late. I wanted to join early, but I joined very late. So I see that there is a recording already done. Can this recording be shared to view the whole session again?
Yes, madam. Yeah, that we will tell to our computer expert, madam. So that recording, it will be sent, madam. Nothing to worry. Here, that what we covered here, madam. Enterprise. What is the enterprise? How we can start the enterprise? Enterprising, entrepreneur, entrepreneurship. These 3 things. Enterprise mean business. Entrepreneur mean who start the business, whether individual or group, or through the self-help groups, the women empowerment and all. The Mudra loan is promoting. So here, and then Startup India, that they can go for 1 CR to 5 CRs. Again, there also, because here the crucial thing is that the preparation of the project report, because the preamble and then the market demand and the procedure and then break-even analysis, there is a how much amount we are investing over there. That projection is the most important over there, so that that is the most of the bankers are seeing that one actually. So, but when it comes to the persons with disabilities and in specific persons with intellectual disabilities, we are helping them, because I'm here engineer, so that we do the business process planning. business, how we can start the business, and then how we can conduct SWOT analysis on individual. If I want to start the business, can I start the business? So here the SWOT analysis I conduct on myself. SWOT, SCOT, and SOAR analysis. So these are all analysis facilitates us to come to know the level of the potential, how much we have individual has, so that it increase our morale, and then he will be motivated, and then he can move further for establishment of the business. When he starts the business, then our employment avenues will be generated. Yeah.
So can you share your mobile number, so that I can maybe
Yes.
contact you on one-to-one?
Yes, madam. Yeah, my in chat box I will. Mine is otherwise note down, madam. 87
Yes. Yes, 87.
90
Right. 90
102
102.
744. My name is P. Sammayya, madam. I am here, rehabilitation officer in Department of Adult Independent Living. Mainly, my role is that the restructuring of working environment, because when business is when our one parent wants to start the business, let us take the leaf plate making plates, the business. So those machines generally it is designed and developed but highly intellectual, so that those machines can be operated by the ITA and then polytechnic diploma holders. But those machines we want to redesign, we want to go for the re-engineering principles, the redesign. If it is required, we will go for the reverse engineering, and then we will make as per the capabilities of the persons with intellectual disability. So here, lot of changes are taking place. The technology advantage we are taking here, technology adaptation of technology. We make that technology as accessible technology for the benefit of persons with intellectual disabilities. In specific,
What will be the good time to call you, sir?
Madam, 9 to 5:30 I will be in the office, madam. Evening time also you can come, no problem, madam.
After 6 o'clock?
Yes, madam. I will be in the office only till 7 o'clock.
Okay.
Madam. Yeah.
So after 6 or after 7 o'clock, shall I call you?
Yes, madam.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
I think. Yeah. Madam, here another one, our head of the department, G. Srinivasulu sir is there, madam. He is actually a driving force for all of us. He is the big motivator for all of us to do this small this sensitization program for the motivation of the parents. Mainly, our target group is the parents and siblings, because due to this pandemic, the adult persons are in their home environment only, because now we are giving them online classes conducting, and then in the form of short videos we are sending them to engage them into the meaningful activity and the scheduled activity, so that the mental well-being also maintained over there, and then Kiran mental health line is there. So we are all giving the remedial measures, and then the trouble, if any trouble any individual is facing, to how to overcome the troubleshooting techniques also we are giving it to the parents, and then even
So I'm a special educator myself, sir, and I'm a parent of a child with learning difficulty. My son is now 28 years old, and I'm also looking for some opportunities in terms of business and investments where he can be self-employed.
Yes,
And I can support him. So my idea of joining the webinar today and understanding or taking your phone number is purely to understand that if something can be started for him.
Yeah, madam, here I can suggest you, madam,
Yes.
that supplement that this our NHFDC, that in Google search engine, NHFDC, National Handicapped Finance and Development Corporation, NHFDC.
Right.
Yeah, you will get, madam, because their microfinance scheme also there, the self-employment revenue scheme also there, educational loan extension is there, and then because their project proposal, model project proposal.
So at the moment, I'm not looking for how to arrange finances to start the business. My idea is to first identify the kind of a work that the child and I can help him do.
Yeah, madam, certainly you can do, madam. We are here to extend our support, madam. Nothing to worry.
Sure, I will.
Thank you. And then Ramnagar sir. Thank you, Gangadhar sir. You also motivational words you have given. See, the motivation is required for every individual. See, the teacher is not teacher for himself. Teacher is teacher for students. for himself, he is also learner. So every individual is required the motivation so that we can excel furthermore for the betterment of the persons with disabilities. यस जी, और कुछ है मैडम, और कुछ कोई पूछना चाहते हैं? यस सर, ఇంకెవరైనా అడగాలండి? ఎనీ క్వశ్చన్స్ जी? कोई if anyone wish to ask, please feel free to ask. Otherwise, because I have given my number over there, and then this recording also there, this if required, whoever requires, we will send, we will make arrangement to send these things. Gangadhar sir, మీకు కూడా రికార్డింగ్ పంపిస్తామండి.
Sure, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. So, Amaravathamma ji, now I request Madam Amaravathamma.
Sir.
Yeah, I request you to, before going into concluding the session, I convey my sincere thanks to our head of the department, most respected J. Srinivasulu ji, and sir is there. Srinivasulu sir is there, madam?
Yes, sir.
Sir. Sir, please, sir, your concluding remarks, sir, please, sir.
Hello.
Srinivas sir, concluding remarks.
Yes, thank you. Am I audible, sir?
Yes, sir, you are audible, please.
There are around 76 participants now. So this is actually information to all the attended participants, siblings, not only siblings or parents, all the participants I am sharing through this information. If any parent or family member interested regarding the establishment of entrepreneurship kind of thing or a small scale, okay, simple establishment if you want to start, please write to us. I will mention in that start box my email ID, my department email ID and my email ID, so that the technical support or whatever be the support from the department side we will provide. Because we are promoting sheltered setups and self-employment kind of thing. Sheltered setup in the sense that is again a different kind of channel and a route. So we want to promote self-employment to all the parents and the siblings of the PWIDs. If you have any idea, then please feel free to ask or just mail to us. I am putting my email ID. I am also putting the department email ID. So at present we have a different kind of setups in our department. For example, suppose if you want to start a printing related, screen printing kind of thing, or any kind of photo frames related, or any kind of mementos making, or any kind of acrylic products preparation, paper bag related kind of thing. Okay, just or sublimation kind of printing. Sublimation printing in the sense it's a non-traditional activity. So lot of demand at present available, the machinery also. So much amount of demand is there for printing on mugs, saucer, t-shirts, mouse pad, keychain. There are n number of end products you can print. So with this sublimation printing. So all these are non-traditional kind of activities. If you have any idea, please write to us, email to us, so that we will give technical support or marketing kind of things. Because nowadays we are hearing in the social media or different kind of webinars, we are hearing about the marketing supporting channels. For example, I can say Dukaan is one app, and another one Ayrton is one app. Okay, so like that there are n number of apps are available. If your product is a qualitative and reasonable budget quality price, then definitely the agencies will come and ask you your quantity or whatever be the product within a reasonable price. They will sell your products. So this kind of support we can seek from the agencies. So there is no issue about the marketing kind of thing. Only thing is that you need technical support. You need some kind of infrastructure. If you need any kind of financial support from the GOs or NGOs, so every year government having a different kind of platforms, especially during the month of December and February, according to their budget, they used to give the advertisement for small scale financial support. And there are some other platforms also available. Just now I mentioned about the Mudra loan and the Dwakra support, self-help group support for the 50,000 below budget. So you can utilize those options for establishing, even for the small kind of machinery. Suppose if you want to keep a setup at a coffee vending machine, market, shopping complex, or government sector, or any kind of LICs or any kind of private schools premises, you can start this kind of things, popcorn making or coffee vending machine, juice making, etc. So within a limited budget you can plan. So So for establishing this kind of setups, whatever be the support you require, please write to us. Anything, any questions or queries from your end, you can ask.
Yeah, sir, here Kamlesh Kumari Kushwala madam पूछे हैं, sir, multi rehabilitation worker MRW course by institute name where the
Please, you can check from the Rehabilitation Council of India website, RCI website, regarding this MRW courses. What exactly, which purpose, what is the purpose? You just view from the website, RCI website.
Thank you, sir.
And sir, here the students of DVRMR course, our DVR students, and then your NIMH R Shishore Ramnagar sir students also joined over here.
Achha.
Hello.
Yes, Andy.
Chapandi. Yes, sir. Please tell me.